안녕하세요 여러분. 제 이름은 제스민입니다. 모아주셔서 감사합니다. Check it out. I'm a real YouTuber now. Just kidding. I make myself laugh. It's not appropriate. Anyway, today we are reacting to YeoJin's Kiss Later and JinSoul's Singing in the Rain. I'm excited. Hope you are too. Let's get into this video. 합시다. She is so cute. Girl, I would jump up like that too if I saw that in my dream. But real quick, I saw a blooper. At least I think it's a blooper. Can I not go deaf maybe? Thanks. Thanks. She's got these things on her bed. Why is she wearing heels? She's like 14. And then there's nothing on the bed. Anyway. I just thought that was funny. She is so cute. Look at her face! Aw. You got a whole 3 minutes to fawn over how cute she is. Just get to the video. YeoJin. YeoJin. Those things aren't on that bed either. And then they are. What? Wait. Those are actually kind of terrifying. He's cute though. Whose face is that? Who's the model for that? Cause he cute. He's anyway. Also, let's not put the carriage before the horse. I feel a bit shy, but no lie though. That dude is cute. Who is he? I'm so distracted. I'm so distracted. He's beautiful. Is he even real or is that like an avatar that somebody created? Also, interesting that like one of the princes that they have, which I'm assuming all of these people are supposed to be princes, that they picked one that was, oh, don't be offensive. I was going to say Saudi Arabian, but I'm not sure that that's true. Then I was going to say Arabic, and I'm also not sure that that's true. But you understand what I mean. You know where I was going with that. I do remember that from Look how cute she is. Stop it. She is so cute. See, it's moments like these when sometimes I'm like, whenever I think to myself, if I'm ever blessed with a child, I would hope for a boy because my entire family has always been girls. But then I see things like this and I'm like, if I had a little girl, I'd dress her up. She's so cute.
주인공 같진 않았다 마냥 어린애처럼 가볍지도 않죠 여자는 있지 저
This is so uncomfortable. This is oddly uncomfortable. This is so weird. Also, why is her... Oh, I think I get it. Right? Because the princess had to kiss the frog and turned it into a prince. Ah. I see you, YeoJin. She was like, I don't... Go find someone else to turn you into a prince. That's cute. This is adorable. Like the set and stuff, everything is like a cartoon kind of. That's adorable. What the? What the hell? I wasn't expecting that. Also, how funny, because like it makes sense, right? Because she's like, yo, let me trust you, like stop trying to force me, like stop trying to push me, slow the hell down. And he's like slyly trying to get her to like, wow. Wow. What the hell? What goes on at our BW, man? Was that his head in the fridge? It was. My girl uses Innisfree. Yes. My girl uses Innisfree. See, she's smart. I like her. I like YeoJin. That was it. It wasn't the message about her being able to take her time and wait until she's ready to kiss somebody. It's not her being, you know, mature for her age and giving a good message to the younger folk. It's that she uses Innisfree. Yo, I'm having too much fun with this video. What? Why? What on earth did I just watch? What the hell did I just watch? So many things. First off, number one, I was surprised. So in the beginning, I was a tiny bit put off about like the Prince Charmings are all like grown adults, and she's like 14 in this video. But then I thought about it. I was like, when I was a kid, everybody that was on my wall on posters were all grown people, so like it's whatever, right? And I think that they look so creepy with like the paper cutout heads because it's like her like fantasy prince people. Fantasy prince people. Interestingly enough, I don't believe I'm about to say this. I was hating on this song before, right? Now, I don't know if it's because now I know how young she was in this video or how young she is still. But dare I say, this song might actually be my favorite. I know, it's crazy, right? Because I was like, I don't like candy pop, blah, blah, blah. This song reminds me of something. I feel like this is something that I would see if I were to go, if you've ever been to Disney World, right? And they have those shows on the stage at the Magic Kingdom, at the castle. Back in the day, they used to have, like, the shows on the stage, it used to have kids in it too. It had adults and it had kids, and they would, like, it was so cute. And then one year there were just no kids in it, so I guess it's probably a good thing. But anyway, this song reminds, I feel like this is something I would see at Disney, like as a live performance show. And it's making me nostalgic, and I absolutely adore it. Like, I actually love this song, and I'm shocked. The video was funny, man. Like, this video was funny. I actually started tearing up. I was laughing so hard. It's creepy. It's a bit creepy. Even, like, there's a part in it where she's, like, running down a hallway, and, like, the frog man is trying to, like, chase after her because he needs his kiss, I guess, to turn into a prince, maybe? I don't know. But that was funny. Dare I say, out of all of them, this is my favorite, and I'm shocked. Anyway, let's move on. Let's move on to JinSoul. Ooh.
Hey boy, I've been thinking about us.
Ooh. Okay. I'm noticing so many songs from girl groups start off with "Hey boy." Make 'em whistle like a whistle. Bum, bum. Or "Hey boy." Dun, 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 dun. Bad boy. I don't know the words. And there was another one that just popped into my head, but I don't remember what it was. YeoJin. YeoJin.
Hey boy,
Hey boy.
I've been thinking about us. 점점 더 깊어지는 밤의 노래는 나도 멈출 수 없어 out of control. 어디부터가 시작인지 모른대도 밤을 물들여 소리를 따라 달려가는 너와 나.
I like it.
깊이 퍼져가는 빛이 빠져들어 네 전체 서져가는 공기.
It's very like oh. I like it. I love it. I just realized I was going to say earlier and then I got distracted that it sounds like, it kind of reminds me of a marching band. And I just realized she has a baton and so did the two guys in the beginning. So I think it's meant to sound like a marching band, which is pretty cool. But bro, that beat drop? Yo! Hold up, do I just have a dirty mind or? Okay, no, I don't think I have a dirty mind. Wow. Her voice is pretty. Oh! Oh, I love it so much. Why is she all glitched out though? Can we just honestly, okay, like, I personally am not like a huge fan of the whole like pale look. I love when idols are allowed to look their color, but like, God, she's so pretty here. I mean, maybe she's that color, I actually don't know, but the like with the platinum blonde hair and then like her like very, very pale skin, but then like the dark thing, like it's, oh my God, her eyes are so pretty. Sorry, I didn't mean to I didn't mean to go off on a tangent, but like, she's gorgeous. Holy crap, man. This song is dope.
I've been thinking about us. Got me singing in the rain. Ooh, oh, singing in the rain. 소리를 따라 달려가는 너와 나 뒤따라가 깊이 퍼져가는 비밀 빠져들어 비에 젖어서 젖어가는 공기에 물 들어가 hey 물 들어가 우리 안에 태양이 나 한낮에 태양을 숨겨버린 죄로 지금 난 여기 뜨거운 채로 너와
This is beautiful, man. This video is gorgeous. Bro. Wow. Huh. Wow. Y'all. That's crazy. I don't even know what to say. I love that video. I love that song. That song is so dope. If I were, again, I always say this, if I was out at a club, and I never go to the club, so I have no idea how I would act in a club, but I just feel like if I heard this in a club and I had like, you know, an adult juice box, I would be losing my ish. Like, I would just be dancing, and I don't dance, but I would just be like body rolling all over the place. This was dope. There's nothing else to say. That blue fish was really pretty. I'm guessing she was supposed to be the blue fish. Actually, you know what? I didn't even try to take anything from this video, so I don't really know what the message was. The video, I mean, the lyrics to the song are kind of grown. So there's that. And I don't hate it. This was actually dope. I enjoyed this. If you made it this far, thank you for watching. Please like the video if you liked it. Please subscribe for more. Please share it with anyone you think might find it interesting. Feel free to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I shall see you in the next video. Annyeonghaseyo.